Hola amigos, bien o no, y saludos desde Inglaterra. Ayer hablamos con este tipo de preguntas para confirmar que tú entiendes, pero también hoy vamos a explorar otro tipo de preguntas por la cosa cuando tú no entiendes. So ese es el tema de hoy. So sometimes, despite our best efforts to check our understanding of what's being asked of us, sometimes the explanation we're given doesn't really make sense. Now, that could be the fault of us for lack of vocabulary, perhaps, sometimes, but often it's just that the way the person has phrased their answer just isn't really as detailed as it needs to be. So we need a nice, easy, polite way of asking them to repeat what they've just said. But if you ask them, could you explain that? Could you explain that? You should get a different answer. You should get a more detailed answer rather than just a repeat of what they said to you the first time. Although normally, if you challenge the fact that what someone has said to you, you haven't heard them well, it doesn't quite make sense. Sorry, I didn't hear you. Sorry, could you repeat that? Or sorry, I don't understand. Often that will trigger the person to try and change how they've said it. But if you get a feeling they've just repeated what they said and that still wasn't enough, you still don't understand it, then we do need to get a bit more detail, a better explanation. So, sorry, could you explain that a bit more, please? Is a really nice way of pushing that back to them. So, sorry, could you explain that a bit more, please? You're going to get more information. But don't be worried that you need to ask these type of questions, because in the end, it's going to help you have a better conversation with the other person, because really what we're driving at is understanding between the two of us, that you understand them and they understand you. So ask for more explanations. No, sorry, could you explain that a bit more, please? And you get more information. Try it. Hope that one helps. But for now, we'll say cheerio.